Welcome to my channel. Today, we are making a classic chicken biryani, packed with flavor and perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Chicken biryani recipe. You'll need chicken, basmati rice, yogurt, fried onions, ginger garlic paste, green chilies, garam masala, turmeric, coriander powder, cumin seeds, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, cardamom pods, cloves, mint leaves, coriander leaves, and salt. First, marinate the chicken with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, green chilies, and spices. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to penetrate. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the rice. Soak the basmati rice for 30 minutes. In boiling water, add cumin seeds, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, and cloves. Cook the rice until it's 70% done. Next, fry the onions until they are golden and crispy. These will add a delightful crunch to our biryani. Now, cook the marinated chicken in a pan until it's tender and fully cooked. The aroma is simply irresistible. Time to layer the biryani. Start with a layer of chicken at the bottom of the pot, followed by a layer of rice. Add some fried onions, mint, and coriander leaves. Repeat until all the chicken and rice are used up. Seal the pot with some dough to trap the steam and cook on low heat for 20 minutes. This slow cooking, or dum, infuses the biryani with incredible flavor. Our chicken biryani is ready. Serve it hot, garnished with fresh coriander leaves. It's best enjoyed with a side of raita or a simple salad. Thank you for joining me in making this delicious chicken biryani. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a recipe. See you next time.